Hello everybody, welcome. Today we're going to cover how to meditate anywhere, explained in under 5 minutes. We all have 5 minutes that aren't really being used, waiting for a bus, standing on the train, sitting at your desk while something loads, or on a bench in a park. I'm going to show you how to turn those 5 minutes into something genuinely revitalizing and healing. You can do it anywhere, and the best part is no one around you will even know that you're doing it. As we mentioned before, you can do this anywhere, standing, sitting, or laying down. Eyes can be open or closed, hands in your lap or down by your side. It doesn't matter. It's worth trying to ensure that your spine is nice and straight though. The important points are the breath and the focus, and we'll cover them next. Make your breath as soft and as quiet as you possibly can. So soft that you can barely feel it, and nobody could hear it. Done well, you almost won't know that you're breathing, and neither will the person sitting next to you. Breathe in with the lower belly, not the chest. So on the inhale, the area just below the navel gently rises, and on the exhale, it returns to where it started. We don't try to stop the belly from moving, we just let it move on its own without adding any force. The focus. Rest a soft, gentle attention on the point about 3 inches below the navel and roughly the same depth into the body. At first, you may feel nothing there, and that's perfectly fine and normal. But in time, you'll begin to sense something. And when you do, you simply let your attention rest on it. You're not visualizing, not imagining, not trying to make anything happen. You're only resting your focus in a gentle, soft way. 5 minutes is more than enough to begin. So don't worry if it doesn't feel like much at first. A little bit every day is a good way to build a habit that can last a lifetime. Only one rule, only do this when your mind is genuinely free. So never while you're driving or doing anything else that needs your attention. But the next time you've got 5 spare minutes, give it a go and see how you feel. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Otherwise, get in touch via email or on our website. Take care. Bye-bye.